Yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to part 4 of this unboxing fall series. I hope you've enjoyed it so far. I hope you found a lot of value in these videos. If you are seeing this series for the first time in this video, that's okay. Thank you for being here today, but you are late. If you are new here, hello. My name is Zara. Call me Z. And yes, this is the 4th video in our unboxing fall series. We have been getting all the juicy details on fall styling, lots of tips and trend updates as well. So let's get into today's video. It is brought to you by Zara. So let's get into the things here. They're always pretty good about packaging. First item up for your viewing pleasure is satin-esque flowy jacket, giving relaxed boho chic, kind of a winged sleeve. It drapes beautifully, cute pleating on this, nice zipper. It is cropped waist length, I would say, more so. Very relaxed, super chic and cute. I love items like this that have these little details with the construction to give a more chicness to it, add some more stylish elements to your wardrobe without having to pay so much. But this one is in a medium. It has pockets and the bubble effect on the hem is gorgeous. It is lined, so it is it lined? No, it ain't. I'm lying. It's not lying. I thought it was. That's just the pleats in it in the back that gave the illusion. But anyway, it's a lightweight jacket, great for that not so cold days. But it also serves as a shirt, so it's pulling double duty. We love things like that because the blazer is usually the item that pulls double duty. It's a clothing item that makes up your outfit, but also keeps you warm so you don't have to wear that extra item. Items like this solves all of that for you. It's a 2-for-1. And then the second item is something I'm really gravitating to. It is the I Love Genie trend with the cinched ankle on the wide leg pant or the bubble pant. It almost is a play on the hammer pants without the drop crouch. So that's why I call it the I Love a Genie pant. I love the look. It's so chic and elegant. It just floats when you walk in it. I only bought one pair to try it out, but I'm going back for more. So I'll show you this one. This is a trouser style. The weight and the fabric of this is of a light trouser. It buttons at the ankle. It's not the drawstring, which is a more playful, youthful version of these pants. Zara has those, so if I love these, I'm gonna wear them for a while because I'm really intentional about my shopping. I'm gonna wear them for a while. If I like how it looks on me and I feel like I can style it up in various different ways enough for my liking, and if it feels good on me, then I'm gonna go back for the others because they have a lot of different other colors. They have a satin one that looks like this fabric on this jacket, so I could wear it as a set if I wanted, and I believe it does come in the same color. So this is a tester for me. I don't like the bubble denim jean look or the the barrel cut pant. I really don't like that, but I'm liking this because it's basically to me a wide leg pant, and I love wide leg pants. So with a little twist on it with the cinched ankle, it just gives an extra detail to the construction of the pant, and it creates this silhouette that's very youthful and modern, especially if you put it with a strappy heel. Ooh, bad. That just does it for me. That is so chic and stylish and kind of a fashion forward moment for me without having to pay so much for the designer look. That brings us to the conclusion of the unboxing fall styling series. I hope you've enjoyed it. If need be, check the links in the description box below to review the other videos in this series. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Please check because YouTube will show you my videos without you being a subscriber. And the subscription really means a lot to me and my channel. As far as the algorithm goes, we know these algorithms be algorithming. And I hope you found a lot of value in this series, and I hope to bring more in the future because this was fun. I actually love doing this. This is the first time I did a series of this magnitude on YouTube, and I loved it. So more to come. So thanks for hanging out with me to the end of the video. I hope you had a good time. I sure did. And I'll see you in my next video drop. Yeah.